can feel overwhelming, but it does not have to be. To make this journey smoother, focus on two key aspects: finding a career that resonates with your strengths and passions, selecting an institution that will prepare you to excel in your chosen field. Start by exploring exciting career options and setting clear goals for your future. Take the time to understand your strengths and match them with potential opportunities in fields that interest you. Stay updated with the latest trends in the job market and popular programs, ensuring your decision is informed and forward-looking. Throughout this process, gain a better understanding of yourself. What are you good at? What excites you? Seek advice from career counselors, teachers, and mentors who can offer valuable insights from their own experiences. After careful consideration, narrow your choices down to one or two career paths that feels right for you. Potential career paths to explore: nursing, allied health sciences, pharmacy, physiotherapy, Ayurveda, engineering, management, computer applications, liberal arts. Once you have identified your ideal career, it's time to focus on the next crucial step: choosing the right educational institution to help you achieve your goals. How to choose the right institution? Align programs with your career goals. Look for institutions that offer the course and specializations you need. Ensure the institution is recognized for its quality education. Look for state-of-the-art facilities. The right resources can make all the difference in your learning experiences. Consider the location. Choose a place that matches your lifestyle and career aspirations. Seek industry connections. Networking opportunities with industry leaders can open doors for your future employment. Explore global exposure. Look for institutions with international collaborations and exchange programs that can give you a global edge. Check placement records. Past placements can give you an idea of potential career outcomes after graduation. Investigate financial aid and student support services. Ensure the institution offers the assistance you need for a smooth educational journey. At Saraswati Group of Colleges, Mohali, we are committed to helping students like you embark on a successful career path. Located near Chandigarh, the city beautiful, our institution offers world-class infrastructure, state-of-the-art labs, and cutting-edge academic programs across a variety of domains. Spread over 30+ acres, Saraswati Group of Colleges has earned a reputation for academic excellence and innovative research. Why choose Saraswati Group of Colleges? Leading in career opportunities, we provide the best return on investment with premium pay packages from top MNCs. Leading in diversity, experience a vibrant multicultural environment with students from all backgrounds. Leading in research and innovation, develop critical and analytical skills in a research-oriented atmosphere. Leading in infrastructure, leading in global collaboration. With the highest number of international partnerships, we ensure our students have a global edge. Leading in industry ties, our corporate network includes 30+ industry leaders from top MNCs. Leading in extracurricular activities, a wide array of extracurricular options ensures a well-rounded, enriching educational experience. Don't wait any longer. Register today and set yourself on the path to a bright and successful future. Join Saraswati Group of Colleges, where we prepare the next generation of professionals for the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow.